And also weather, that's going to be a question that folks will have. Hopefully, Brad, that will look all right for tonight.
Yeah, it looks okay. There's a few sprinkles out there. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but it's not really that big of a deal. This stuff, you won't even need an umbrella or a jacket. You just wait it out a second or two, even if you don't mind a few drops on your head. It's not going to be all that bad. Most of this stuff is weakening and pushing out fairly quickly. The one thing that's interesting, temperature actually could go up this evening as the warmer air surges in. Just horrific situation unfolding here in the middle of the country. Numerous tornadoes on the ground, numerous communities impacted. And right now we've had several tornadoes on the ground from Iowa to Missouri, Illinois, and into Arkansas. Now, that system is technically heading our way, but we're not going to see that type of severe weather because the system is going to weaken. But a rare extreme outlook in two locations where we're seeing the tornadoes right now. First time that has happened in 2 years, and first time in 11 years you had two areas highlighted there. Tomorrow, notice we're in the low risk. So yeah, it's not a zero risk tomorrow. It's just much, much lower than what we're seeing to the west. What's interesting about this system is not a lot of rain with it tomorrow. It'll be a fast moving line, but a lot of wind in the dry part of this storm. So there's going to be lots of wind under sunny skies. So the thing to remember is even after the rain moves out tomorrow morning, which it will fairly quickly, but between 9 a.m. and noon, yeah, we're going to have some showers with some gusty winds in there, but it moves out quickly. When the sun comes out and the rain moves out, the winds actually will increase. So the strongest winds will happen in full sunshine because the sunshine will allow for mixing of the atmosphere, and these really strong winds, which are above our head around 5,000 feet, will then mix down to the surface. Watch the hour-by-hour wind forecast. Southwest winds in the morning, pretty strong. It's very breezy and windy, but notice after the front moves through, the winds actually pick up, especially in the mountains and foothills. And in the afternoon, we see our highest gust, maybe up to 40 or 45 miles per hour, which will really be howling for most of Saturday. But then by Sunday, things will start to calm down. So the timing of all this, any rain or any thunderstorms will be in the morning. That risk overall for heavy rain or strong storms is low, just not zero. But notice the winds. The winds stay high actually all afternoon and into the evening, and we don't see them taper off until well after sunset. Also a medium risk there for scattered power outages. Anytime trees and limbs are falling, you might see an outage here and there. Not widespread, but a scattered power outage is certainly a possibility. So a good idea that you probably plan right now for maybe some isolated outages where we could see those gusts around 45 miles per hour. So charge up the phones and just be prepared for that to happen. So here's your weekend. We'll break it down hour by hour. Rain in the morning and then lots of wind. Really warm tomorrow, near 80 in the afternoon. Cooler, sunny, and less wind on Sunday with highs in the upper 60s. Your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. Again, stay weather aware tomorrow for those strong winds. Warm for the middle of next week, and 10 days into the future, we will see a little bit of a cool down going into next weekend.
All right, Brad, thank you.